At the end of 2023, I discovered a few side hustles that were really working for me, and my prediction is that these side hustles will continue to work in 2024 and beyond. I will not only show you what the side hustles are, but also how I managed to make them profitable and how much I'm currently making. It has been almost a year ever since I started this YouTube channel, and let me show you how I managed to monetize as fast as I could, how much I'm actually making, and what is the best strategy that will guarantee you making money even while you're not posting. As you can see, I have uploaded my first video on February, and it was a lengthy tutorial on what you need in order to start a YouTube channel. Since this was a very long video, it gave me enough watch time and subscribers for my channel to monetize. Even though I managed to reach the monetization in less than 50 days from the day I created my channel, I still wasn't paid any significant amount of money. My videos were not getting a lot of views, and this was happening due to bad thumbnails, bad title, and very short videos overall. I decided to take it seriously and create videos that were 8 minutes or longer, since I really wanted the YouTube algorithm to recommend my videos to the right audience. I even spent a few dollars and bought thumbnails from people on Fiverr. Even though they claimed that my views would 10x, I didn't really see a significant change in the number of views, so my advice to you would be that at the beginning it is just fine to create the thumbnails yourself. I kept uploading 2 videos per week. Views were coming in, and I was even making a few cents per day. But the problem was that if I was not uploading any new videos, the views would drop significantly. That was until 13th of September, when I uploaded this video on how the YouTube algorithm works. Let me show you why this video was different. You see, most of my videos get views from the browse feature, while the main traffic source for this one was the YouTube search. Because of that, this was the only video on my channel that was bringing in views on a regular basis. Creating videos as such might be a great way to generate passive income even where you're not posting regularly. After I saw this kind of strategy was working, I decided to create 2 more videos and trying to rank for the YouTube search. As you can see, these videos as well are bringing in regular views even though they were uploaded days ago. I only discovered this kind of strategy recently, and if we take a look at the revenue for my channel, you can see that it is increasing and the channel is averaging $1 per day even on the days I'm not actively working. So you get an idea of the trick now. If you really want to make passive income on YouTube, then try to create videos that would rank on the YouTube search results. Now you might be wondering, $1 a day is probably nothing, so why are you even wasting time doing only YouTube? Well, the truth is that apart from YouTube, I'm doing other side hustles as well, and something else that I'm currently doing is dropshipping. To be honest, the only reason I started dropshipping was because I was curious to know if dropship YouTubers were actually making as much money as they were saying. I really wanted to know if this whole concept of being a middleman between huge factories in China and customers in United States is a real thing. Because of that, a few days ago, I went on YouTube and spent a few hours watching tutorials on what dropshipping is and how I could make money from it. One video after the other, and I realized that I needed to find a winning product as soon as I could. I went on TikTok and started looking for a winning product. After a couple of hours, I came across these small portable perfume bottles you could fill and carry around with you. Even though I was a little bit late for the trend, I was certain that this product would not bring me a lot of problems since it was small, non-breakable, and it is easy to ship. Furthermore, when I first saw it, I felt the urge to buy it, so I knew that this was a pretty good sign. I signed up for the free trial with Shopify for $1 a month and decided that Zendrop was going to be my supplier. I saw that I could buy this product for a couple of dollars from there and then sell it from anywhere between $15 to $20 on my website. Yes, you heard it right, on my website. A website that I had absolutely no idea how to build. To overcome this obstacle, I went on YouTube, and after watching a few videos on how to build a Shopify website, I got an ad from Adrian claiming that he could build an entire website in less than 10 minutes with his AI bot for free. Since I had to pay nothing, I gave it a try, and actually the website was built in a couple of minutes. I didn't want to spend any money for this challenge and run paid ads, so I decided to rely primarily on TikTok Organic. TikTok Organic dropshipping is a strategy that emerged with the rise of TikTok, where basically people upload videos of the product they are selling, explaining how it works or why it might be cool to own it, with the hope that some of the TikToks will go viral and generate organic sales. I quickly created 3 TikToks explaining what the product is and how it works, uploaded them on my old TikTok account and put the link of my store in bio. To cut it short, after 3 days I managed to get my first sale at the amount of $20, which to me was pretty surprising and inspiring to see that this whole dropshipping thing was actually working. I'm thinking of running some paid ads and see if I can get more sales, but I'm not certain about it, so let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see something as such. During the time that I was working on my YouTube channel and on my Shopify store, I saw that people were uploading a lot of videos about this brand new side hustle, and I'm talking about the TikTok creativity program. It is almost a fact that going viral on TikTok is way easier than going viral on YouTube or any other platform. That happens mainly due to the fact that there is a lot of audience on TikTok right now and people just love short form content more than ever before. So let me show you how this whole thing works and how you can actually make money from it. The TikTok Creativity Beta is their new ad revenue program that pays creators anywhere between $1 and $2 per 1,000 views on the videos that are 1 minute or longer. People are earning a lot of money with this program because videos go viral on TikTok for some strange reason, and with an RPM of $2, getting 100,000 views overnight would guarantee you $200 from TikTok. As I promised, I will show you a popular video strategy style that is currently working for this side hustle. So you basically use ChatGPT to create funny or creepy stories that are at least 1 minute long, and you play them on top of some free footage, just like the example you're seeing on the screen right now. As you can see, these basic videos get at least 100,000 views per video, and with a minimum RPM of $1, you are witnessing $100 per each video in here. You can get the stories from ChatGPT, and then you can use a program like 11labs.io to generate a free AI voiceover, and there are a lot of gaming YouTube videos like this one where the creators allow you to use them for free. Once you have all the pieces of the puzzle together, you can edit them using a simple editing software like CapCut. Now, so far I've shown you how to get views and how much you're expecting to make from TikTok Creativity Beta, but there is one single detail that most of the people recommending this side hustle forget to mention. The TikTok Creativity Beta program is currently available only for the people living in the top tier countries like United States. Now, this is only the first out of 4 requirements that you must complete in order to be eligible for the TikTok Creativity program. Apart from having a US-based account, you also need to be at least 18 years old, and I don't believe that this is something that can be overcome simply by ticking a checkbox saying that yes, I am above 18. Another thing that puts off a lot of people is the fact that you need to have at least 10,000 followers on your TikTok account, but this is something achievable as long as you get to have a few viral videos, which on TikTok seems to happen often. And if you want to remain in TikTok Creativity program, you must have at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. However, for every problem there is a solution. For as little as a couple of dollars, you can secure a USA account with all the details necessary to monetize your TikTok account. And for all of you that really want to try the TikTok Creativity Beta, here's a more detailed tutorial on that, together with a profitable niche.